Hello, I am Mary Honey with the American Military University. Today I am presenting Animals Do Have Rights to EVSP 508 Environmental Ethics Summer India 2021. I have chosen this topic as I have always been an animal lover since a child. I am currently a vegetarian and cat-dog mom for 5 cats and 2 dogs. The last 5 animals I adopted were strays rescued from the streets. The federal laws I have chosen are as follows. The Animal Welfare Act, which was enacted in 1966, which is enforced through the USDA Animal Care and also the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. I have chosen the land ethic as the underlying worldview for this federal law, as it states to stop treating land as a mere object or resource. Aldo Leopold does not just view land as the soil, but the plants and animals as well. This federal law does just that to minimize the exploitation of animals as objects and/or resources. The second federal law is the Humane Slaughter Act, enacted in 1958 and enforced by the USDA Food and Safety and Inspection Service. I have chosen deep ecology as the underlying worldview on this federal law, as it specifically states that appreciating life quality as a top priority. This act ensures that farm animals are humanely killed due to the high demands of the meat industry. The third federal law is the Endangered Species Act, which was enacted in 1973 and enforced by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service as well as the Commerce Department's National Marine Fisheries Service. I have chosen social ecology as the underlying worldview, as it indicates that no species is more important than another. The ESA is meant to save all species from extinction regardless of their popularity. This is also an economically driven federal law, which is why I picked social ecology. The last federal law has been newly enacted in 2019, which is the Preventing Animal Cruelty and Torture Act, which will be enforced by the Department of Justice. This may change as the law is fairly new. I have chosen deep ecology for this underlying worldview as well. This is because it bans animal crushing, which is a new term used when mainly small animals are tortured or abused for video views on the internet in hopes of improving the quality of life of those animals. This analysis of the federal laws towards an environmental topic and the underlying worldviews that helped enact these laws is an important exercise to realizing that ethics are all around us, even in law. These laws are vital in giving non-human species the rights to enjoy a quality life while minimizing our exploitation of them. These laws give a voice to those who are voiceless. Here are the references for this presentation. Thank you.